Welcome to Miracle Web 3 TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Hedra AI for free. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive in. Alright, so to create that video, to create such video, you need to open your ChatGPT, okay? And you will upload the image you want to use. So let me upload the image. Alright, so you upload the image and you will write the write-up you want to use. So for me, I'm making use of this write-up. Make this image a cinematic realistic baby cartoon image. Let it be landscape image in a studio environment like I am recording a YouTube video. Make it cinematic lighting realistic size 1 by 1. Okay, 1 by 1 in 1 by 1 square. Let's say square size. So when you are done, you can use this format and you can use any one depending on your choice. So when you are done, you can just send it. So this is what we have. So when the AI is done generating the image, you can now proceed to download the image to your gallery. Okay, so let us download this. Alright, so when you are done downloading the image, you go to hedra.com. So this is where you make everything to happen. Okay, so when you log into Hedra, you make sure you register and log in. So after login, after you are done with your registration, you click on video. Okay, so you click on this video. Let's click on it. So in this place, they ask for character. You click on character and upload the image you download on ChatGPT. You can see that I have uploaded the image. So in this place, this is where you select the size. I want it to be in 16 by 9. So let us leave it in 16 by 9. So the other ones you can leave it there. So this audio script, this is where you put your audio script. You can, if you have recorded your voice, you can upload this. You can also use text, that is generate speech. You can also type your text. The AI will generate it for you. Okay, for me, I think I will need to type my speech. So here I will say, welcome to Miracle Web 3 TV. Okay, so this is what I want to use. Welcome to Miracle Web 3 TV. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Hedra AI for free. Okay, so when you are done, you will click on, when you are done with that, you can choose voice. Okay, so let me choose my voice. Let us see the first one.
The world is round, and the place which may seem like the end,
dreams come true. There's power in looking silly and not caring that you do.
Okay, so let us just go for Patrick. So you click on Patrick and you will click on add to video. Okay, so we are using that. So when you are done, you click this place, you click here. You can see that this is what we have. Okay, so they don't want us to generate the video. If you click on continue, it will tell you to go, and you can see free plans are disabled due to demand. You will need a subscription to use Hedra. Okay, so this is what we have. Now I want to show you how to boycott. That is why you need to watch this video to the end. I will show you how to boycott so that you'll be able to upload your image and do your video successfully. Okay, so you will go to your Play Store, you go and download Thunder VPN. You search for Thunder VPN and you will download it. Okay, I've already downloaded it. I will just open it. So you accept their terms and conditions. So here you need to connect your VPN to United States. You connect to United States. Okay, so you can see that I've my VPN is already connected. You can connect to United States or United Kingdom. Okay, so let us go back to our Hedra. Okay, so you will click on send again. You can see that it's currently loading. So our project has been queued and is going to be available in the next few minutes. So we're going to wait patiently till the video is available. So guys, our video is ready. Let me play it so that you can hear.
Welcome to Miracle Web3 TV. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Hedra AI for free.
Okay, so that is what we have. Now I don't want to use AI voice. I want to use my voice to generate. So I want to use my voice to generate the video. Okay, so if you want to do that, you go and record your voice. You can record your voice. So for me, I'm using voice recorder. Okay, so in this place, I will record my voice. I have recorded my voice and I have uploaded the image I want to use on Hedra. So you will now click on audio scripts. So you click on upload audio. You now go and locate the audio where you save it on your device. So this is the audio I just recorded. So it has been uploaded. Let us play it and see. Welcome to Miracle Web3 TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Hedra AI for free. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive in. So that's what I want to use. If you want to reduce the background noise, you can just apply this. You can just click on this. Okay. So when you are done, you click on add to video. If you want to change the voice, you can see this option, but I'm not changing the voice. I want to use that my voice. So when you are done, you click on add to video, and don't forget that free user can only try 20 seconds of audio. Okay, so just make it, don't let more than 20 seconds. When you are done, you click on add to video. So this is what you have done. So in this character, you can say hand gestures, and you can just type anything here. And if you don't want to type anything, you can just send it. So when you are done, you click on send. So it will generate your video for you. Alright, our video is ready. Let us play it. And if it's not playing, we're going to download it to have a better experience. Okay. Welcome to Miracle Web3 TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Hedra AI for free. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive in. You can see that is very perfect. So you can scroll down to download. You can see this download sign. Click on it, and you click on download. So it's saying upgrade to enjoy clean watermark free download. So you don't need to upgrade. You just click on download. So I have successfully downloaded the video, and this is the first one here. Welcome to Miracle Web3 TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Hedra AI for free. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive in.
Welcome to Miracle Web3 TV. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Hedra AI for free. Welcome to Miracle. So you can just select any one of your choice. Okay. So that is the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you also have a question, you can drop it in the comment section. I will attend to all the questions. All right. See you in the next one. Bye for now.